के कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिखने हैं, तो वी विल ड्रॉ व्हाट दैट ऑफ द वर्टिकल लाइन इज ड्रॉन ऑलरेडी इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, राइट? So likewise drawn. So this is what first x axis. So 5 is the coordinate and here minus 5. Now the point identified by the coordinates minus 3 minus 5. ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछा है. What? minus 3 and minus 5, the point identified by the coordinates. So which point it shows that minus 3 minus 5? Just tell me. If the minus 3 and minus 5 is given, means in which quadrant it will come? Yes, it is correct. It is in third quadrant because both are carrying negative negative. So we will see here. So minus 3. I'll draw here from minus 3 vertical line and minus 5. So which point it shows? E point. Right? The point identified by the coordinates 2 and minus 4. 2 and minus 4. Which point it shows? This is x and this is y. So positive or negative. In which quadrant comes? Positive and negative. It comes in fourth quadrant. Right? So 2 and that of the minus 4. See? Which one show? That is D point shows. Understood? Now we'll talk about this L and M. The coordinates of the point L. क्या हो सकते हैं इस L के? L is simply no line is drawn from it, right? So it is simply shown on the y-axis, right? No. So whenever the point is shown simply on the axis, at that time its coordinates will be what? Now the point is lying on the y-axis, right? No. So y coordinate will be 5. What about that of the x? So it is just come downward where it goes in the origin. So origin point is what? 0. So x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate is 5. Will you write for the M now? Yes, M is where? On the x axis, right? So on x axis it is there. So x coordinate will be minus 3. And what about y? Y coordinate is not given. That means what? It is 0. So it is here actually it comes. Minus 3 and 0. Understood? How this we are writing? The abscissa of a point D. Now abscissa of a point D. What is the abscissa of a point D? Abscissa, it is nothing but the x coordinate. Right now? So we will here see this and this line. So x coordinate is which one? That is x. So abscissa of D is what? 6. Likewise answer is expected. Understood how to write the coordinates? So this is, we have solved question number 2 from exercise 3.2. From exercise 3.2. Now we are going to see, that is plotting a point in the plane if its coordinates are given. So likewise if the coordinates are given, then we are going to see how to plot on a graph paper. See, I am repeating again student that the graph paper strictly we are going to use pencil and scale only. We are not going to use pen at all. Now if you just means it is visible to you and you are using a graph paper from many days, right? No. So here we have a darker line, right? So or the one box is formed because of two lines, right? So this box is of what? 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Likewise it is there. In between this one box we have total 10 lines. And that of the one darker line or slightly darker, that of is represent 5 unit, right? And the single line it represent 1 unit. Understood this one? This is the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Likewise. So we actually means total 10 lines in a one box it contains. The box is of 1 unit. Now let us see how to plot. Now here I am using a sketch pen. You don't use it. We are just going to use a pencil only, right? So first of all, in the middle of the graph, we will draw that of the vertical line. Right? So you can have the whole line. Likewise, I have drawn up to this only. So let it go. And one horizontal line on the dark. See, I am just drawing on a darker line only. I am not drawing anywhere else. Got it? Now we are just going to plot the points. So this right side we will show all positive numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first of all, we'll have that of -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Right? Now similarly we have here on the vertical line 1, 2. While writing, see numbers, always this is the 0, right? Intersection. So 0 say 1, 2, 3. I have observed that the many students they are writing that like the 6, 5, 4 in the descending order. No, it is 1, 2, 3 only. We are just going to mention 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Right? Now what we will do, this is label it as x-axis and this is label it as y-axis. Got it? This is first only when we will draw the axis, that time only we are going to label it x, x dash. Write it down. Y, y dash. Good. Now let us plot these points. This Q is what? -5 and 4. Now -5, 4. One negative and one positive. In which quadrant it will come? In the second quadrant, right? -5 से हमें ऊपर जाना है up to 4. So we will have here that of the, you can draw a line or you just simply plot a point over here, and this point is what? Sorry. -5, 4. Just mention it over there. And this is what? Q point. Got it? Now P point we are going to mention. P is what? 1, 4. So 1, 4 both are positive. Means obviously it will come in first quadrant. 1, 4. Here 1 से लेकर मैं 4 जहाँ आया वहाँ पर मैं रुकी. Right? तो 1, 4 and this point is which one? P point. Then R point is -5, -3. -5 and -3. So -5, -3 it will lie in the fourth quadrant. So देखो -5 and -3. This is R point. And S point is what? 1 and -3. So 1 and -3 will come here in the fourth quadrant, that is 1, -3. Got it? Now let us have, we will join these points. After joining this point, what kind of figure we get? Now simply, sometimes in the question it may ask that join the given points and what kind of figure is formed, and just tell the name of the figure. So that is the additional question I am explaining here. So let us join. P से Q point join करना है with the help of scale. Then Q से R. Then R से S. And P से S. Just tell me Now, what kind of figure is formed over here? Yes, it is what a square is formed. What we form here? Square form, right? Sorry, this is not a square. It is what? A rectangle, right? A rectangle is formed. Now, if it is asked find out the area of this rectangle, how we are going to find out? Let us see. So, for finding out the area, you can simply, what you can do, simply count the all boxes from the given figure, or you can have what? That of the, you know the area formula of the rectangle, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 boxes horizontally, and that of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes are vertically. So 6 into 7, 6 sevens are 42 is the area of this rectangle. How? Or you can simply count the rectangles occupied, squares, those one occupied by this rectangle. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Means likewise 7 vertically and 6 are horizontally. So 6 sevens are 42 is the area of this rectangle. So I hope that the whole lesson you may have understood. Whatever the exercises from this lesson, you are going to solve it, and some extra questions I am going to give you. So those extra questions, just solve it in your notebook. See, here I have given the extra questions, and I am just showing you exercise 3.3, that is question number 2, how to plot these points. X and Y points are given. See, X and Y. So minus 2 and 8, this pair we are going to take and we are going to show it. So minus 2, 8. Minus 2 is from x-axis and y-axis that of the 8. So here this is x-axis, y-axis, x dash and y dash. So minus 2, 8. Here we will have that of the point. Label it this point as a A. Right? Then we have that of the next point, minus 1 and 7. Here labeling is not given. Then also, or you can just have that minus 2 and 8. Write it down, the coordinates over there. Then we have minus 1 and 7. So minus 1 and 7. So here it will come. Right? Write it down, its coordinate, minus 1 and 7. Then 0 and minus 1.25. Now where we should show this? 0. 0 is from x-axis and minus 1.25 is from y-axis. So obviously on y-axis we are going to show. Now where to show this point 25, right? No. So after 1, just below the 1, show a single line, that of here make a circle and write it down, 0 and minus 1.25. Below that of the 1, you can show that of what? 0.25, means that of 1.25 you can show there. Got it? This one. Then 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 here in first quadrant it will come. Right? So write it down, coordinates 1 and 3. Then we have 3 and minus 1. So 3 and minus 1. So 3 is from x-axis and minus 1 is from y-axis. So in the fourth quadrant it will come. So 3 and minus 1. Likewise, we will plot the points on the Cartesian plane. Right? Now these are the extra questions I have given. Just you note it down. One more question I am giving you. Just write it down in your notebook and solve it accordingly. That is the third question I am giving. Square ABCD such that its vertices 1 2, then -7 2, then we have -7 -6 and 1 -6 respectively. This respectively word, now you may know respectively means what. I have first here written A B C D, and directly I have written the points. Means what? The first bracket or that of the first coordinates are belongs to A, then second is for B, then this is C, and these are the D. So in this way just solve the whole exercises, all exercises also. Total 3 exercises are there, and that of these extra 3 questions, solve it in your notebook. Thank you.